If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Indeed, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account using your username and password. If you cannot access your account due to two-factor authentication, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Account Security section where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Choose to reset two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a link or button that allows you to reset or disable the two-factor authentication feature. Step 4. Verify your identity. To proceed with the reset, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions, receiving a verification code via email, or using another method of identification. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. After successfully resetting, you can set up two-factor authentication again. Follow the prompts to choose your preferred method like SMS or an authentication app and complete the setup process. After completing these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Indeed. Make sure to keep your security settings updated to protect your account.